press Q here. To image editor, what this does is if we click it, it takes us to the image editor. And unfortunately, Blender does not provide in the API a way to switch between tabs currently. I think they're afraid of like people going a little nuts with it, probably like I would do. But when we do press that button to go to the image editor, you'll see we do have a Sensei tab here. And the reason why I'm using a Sensei tab to house this for ZeroBrush is that any new add-ons or things I create, I want them all to be contextual in one tab. So in the future, if I come up with something else, you're not dealing with 30 different tabs as someone who doesn't use Sensei Format. If you're just someone who's a fan of my add-ons, and you don't want to have 30 different tabs for all the add-ons from Sensei Format. But anyway, so we click to image editor, and one of the things this does is switch this to paint mode and set everything up so we can immediately start painting on our UV map. And so you see we have all the same options here in the image editor as we do in the 3D view. Now we don't have the layers option on the side here. That's why this shelf is closed by default instead of open. And also you can just click the edit UVs button and you're able to edit these UVs. So if I actually hop out of full screen mode, and then if I select some UVs in our little camera view here, we can see them selected in the image editor, and we can see how that affects down here. And then we have this very simple back to painting in our image editor. And this button here will take you back to the 3D view. Now, we don't have layers available, but you may still want to try actually just painting on here. So like say if we press space and I had some sort of like basic drawing brush like here and I wanted to like, work on a design or something, you can go to view and then click off draw texture paint UVs and then just, draw on a flat surface here. So we'll click this button to head back here.